I'm Tommy Belisario. I'm one of the program managers with Samaritan's First Disaster Relief. We're here in Harrisburg, Illinois. We're out here to help those people who've been hit by this tornado. There's been a lot of devastation, so we have volunteers that's come from all over the United States to serve with us. The main thing, to lift up the love of Jesus Christ to these homeowners.
So today we're just helping clean up the debris that was left. And anything else they need help with, we're just here to help. I like working and helping people out. I mean, because if it happened to me, I would love for someone to come out and help. So it's pretty cool. I enjoy doing things like this and share the gospel of Christ as well. It's different, especially we're from the city. You don't see stuff like this all the time. So I seen a house that was like split in half. You literally can walk in the house without walking through the door.
When I first heard, I was very sad because in Chicago there's not much of tornadoes or anything like that, and so I've never been to a place like this. To come here, it's very, it's sad, but I'm just praying that they know that they have hope. When I think of things like this, or when I go through hard times, I always know that at the end there's something greater. I want to instill within their mind that there's hope, and God is there, you know, without a doubt. I don't doubt it at all.
Their response has been, it's amazing. I can't even thank you, to all the people that have come to help, because we couldn't do it on our own.
The difference the volunteers have made, not only to me but in this community, is just astounding. It really is, and it makes me want to volunteer when something happens to somebody else.
No, I would recommend that people come out and help out with Samaritan's Purse. Great ministry. You guys feed us too. That's a plus. And I like helping out, serving, and it's all for God too.
We're a strong little town, and we're kicking, and God's power is here, and it's present, and He's working, and we're on fire right now. We're not going to stop.
God bless you.